Hi, this is medical students reviewing for the neuro laboratory exam in about 5 minutes. What do you think about the exam?
Fuck shit.
How about you?
So hard.
What you reviewing?
All sorts of rain.
How about you? What you reviewing?
I'm chatting with my classmates.
Have you noticed anything about? Have you
About
remembered
what?
anything yet?
No, not yet because actually I did not review.
Have you reviewed? How about you guys? Has any of you guys reviewed? Huh? Any of you reviewed? Did you review? How about you?
Kaya yung full text.
How about you, Rhea?
Sinopya ko ng full text.
Rhea,
Kasi yung full
did
text
you review?
mo,
No?
full text mo yun, parang
How
ano
about
pa
you?
rin. Parang-
What do you think about the neuro
Kasi
exam?
puro number
Huh?
Mahirap, dude. Tapos mauulo tayo.
What do you think about this upcoming neuro exam?
Actually,
Huh?
I think it's hard.
How about you? What do you think? Brain? She has 1 reference, 2 reference, 3 reference, 4 references.
Yes, I'm a nerd.
What do you think about
I'm
this?
a nerd, Daddy.
What do you say? You're
I'm
not.
a nerd, Daddy.
What do you think about this neuro exam? Goddamn you, Thais.
You fuck up, Lord.
What do you think about this upcoming neuro exam?
I think, Codigenum.
What do you think about this exam?
Nothing.
How about you? Easy? Easy exam?
No.
How about you two? Hannah?
Yeah,
What do you think about this upcoming exam?
I'm ready to be fucked by the exam.
You're fucked by the end of the day?
Yeah.
And you? Easy?
Me too.
How about you? What do you think about this upcoming neuro exam?
I'm pretty.
Huh?
I'm pretty.
You're quitting?
I'm pretty, sabi ko.
Oh, she got lots of references. What do you guys think about this upcoming exam? You guys are gonna be on YouTube, by the way. What do you think about this exam? How about you?
Hi.
What do you think?
I'm not thinking.
Did you review?
Not really.
How about you? Did you review?
Easy.
It's too easy?
Yeah. Nobody but you.
What do I think? I have my Codigo. What do you think?
Nothing.
Did you review?
None.
So everyone is reviewing. Because I'm walking. Oh, now Ray is finally reviewing now. See that? Let's look at his notes. Oh, we don't understand anything. It's written in Thai again. Goddamn notes, Thai notes. Pass it! This guy is our top notcher, Mr. Perfect every fucking exam. And he thinks that we're where's your bazooka, man? Back here. Yes. And if you want to score high on this exam, you have to listen to our smartest person in class. Then look what he's doing. Where's the PSP, man? Bring out the PSP. Ilabas mo lang para sa YouTube video ko to.
Wala akong alam dyan.
Yes, she opened up her notes but didn't even read the first word yet. She's daydreaming.
I am.
And this is how you pass the neuro exam. See?